Hi everyone, my name is Rahul Kumar. Uh, Today we were discussing some software design patterns. In last video we have discussed about the strategy design patterns. So I'm hoping that you guys you have understood this video. If you have any queries, you can ask. You can give some comments on that. Uh, Today we are proceeding with another design patterns uh, called factory design patterns. Why we are using factory design patterns? What are the different roles of factory design patterns? So first, coming to the definition of this factory design pattern is basically design patterns are all about reusable solutions to common problems in software designing that occur in real world application development. Factory method is a design pattern which defines an interface for creating an object. But let the classes that implement the interface decide which class to be instantiated. Factory patterns lets class postponed instantiation to subclasses. So basically, runtime, one factory class should be there. That class will decide which type of class object it should create at runtime. So let's come to the demo. So I'm switching Visual Studio. We can create new project. We can select console application in .NET Core. We can give name like factory methods design pattern example. So basically we have to create one abstract class that is, I'm taking an example like credit card. I'm taking an example like we have different types of credit card like money back credit card, platinum credit card, titanium credit card. These all different credit cards we have, but during runtime we have to decide which based on the parameters, or you can say based on the type of card type. We are creating the card object, actually credit card object like titanium credit card or platinum credit card or money back credit card. So let's see, we can see the examples here. So right now I'm creating one abstract class that is credit card. Credit card. As I told, we are creating an abstract class. So abstract class. It will have some uh, abstract properties like public abstract string card type, and it will have only get. We cannot set anywhere. Public abstract int credit card or credit limit. You can set and get also. Abstract int annual charge get set. So this is credit card abstract class. So we have to create some concrete classes for this credit card. Concrete classes, if you don't have any ideas, you can go to other links and you can have some information about the concrete class. So I'm creating different concrete classes. Concrete classes is a class which inherits another class that is coupled with the base class, that is credit card class. So I'm creating a class like money back credit card. So it inherits that credit card class, so it will override all the properties like this. We can create public class here. So we can have private fields here, like private read only string card type, private int credit limit, private int annual limit. Okay. So we can return credit limit, and we can set the credit limit also. Similarly, we can equal to value. Similarly, we can return annual limit, and we can set some values like annual, sorry, value. So how these things we have finished, and we can have a constructor as well, which it will take some parameter like credit limit and annual limit. So this dot credit limit equal to credit limit, this dot annual limit equal to annual limit. So this is nothing but money back credit card. That you can say it's concrete classes. as we can see, whenever we create an object of this money back credit card, we have to pass these all uh, parameters value like credit limit and annual limit, and we are assigning, and we have properties also like card type, credit limit, and annual charges. So we can manipulate here, like you can give directly card type equal to money back. Sorry, we can give here money back, and here it will return money back. Card type, sorry, card type. So this is very straightforward. We have different private properties, and those private fields we are manipulating through the constructor, and we have public properties that you can set and we can get this one. So now I'm creating another concrete classes like platinum, titanium or platinum card. Credit card, titanium credit card. Similarly, we can have these all properties and fields in titanium credit card. Titanium credit, titanium only. And we can have credit card. Now I'm taking another concrete class. Platinum credit card. And we are writing platinum. These are all about the concrete classes. So now we have to create the factory one, which will decide which concrete class object should be created at runtime. So now I'm creating one factory class. Credit card factory. Credit card factory. So credit card factory is also an abstract class. Abstract class. It will have only one function which will return the credit card object, like public abstract credit card and get credit card, something like that. This get credit card function is not taking any parameter. To runtime, it will return the credit card object. Now we have to create a different factory factories of the concrete classes like class like back money back credit card factory. It will inherit the factory credit card factory. So it will ask for this one. So it will return new money back credit card. So while creation of this money back credit card, it is expecting credit limit and annual limit. So we can have these properties like private field like int credit limit equal to 0, or you can assign with default value annual charge. And we can have the constructor as well. Int credit limit int annual limit. This not credit card equal to credit card. This not annual charge equal to annual charge. Annual charge. Sorry, my bad. I have written annual limit. Annual charge. So if we can pass credit limit and annual charge. By mistakenly, I have written this annual charge. So now I have to write annual charge. Annual charge. This is nothing but this is actual money back credit card factory. Whenever we will pass some like type of card or card type, based on that it will create a credit card object here. So it's happening with during runtime. So similarly, we can have other factory like platinum credit card factory. Again, we have to inherit from credit card factory, and this is platinum credit card factory constructor. So we have to, and here also we have to return the platinum credit card by passing credit limit and annual charges. So here also we have to do something refactoring here. By mistakenly I have given limit instead of charge. So So again, we need one more factory for titanium credit card factory. We have to change the constructor as well, and this is titanium credit card. So this is all about the factory classes we have created for different type of credit cards. So now we can go to client part. So this is my client actually. So based on that, so normally we have to create the factory object like card factory object. Initially it is null. So I'm asking user to enter the type of card at runtime. So for that I'm giving a message into console dot write line, enter the card type you you'd like to visit, and string card type equal to console dot read line. And it might be user will enter platinum, money back, titanium at runtime. So we have to take some switch like card type dot to lower for easy comparison. If it is money back, then creating object of equal to new money back factory by passing some amount like 50,000 and annual charges something 0. Okay. And default break. Another case, titanium so we have to create titanium class factory by passing 1 lakh and 500 annual charge. Similarly, you can have platinum and it will have 1,000. So based on the value entered, so I'm creating credit card object equal to factory we have, and it will return the get credit card. And just for easy um, console dot write line, just information about the card. Console dot write line type credit card dot type and credit limit credit card dot limit and annual charge credit card dot annual charge. And console dot reline. So let's see, we can run. So here it will ask to enter the type of card. Enter the card type you would like to visit, like platinum. It is asking the card type is platinum, credit card is 5 lakhs and charge is 1000. Again we can run and we can type like titanium. So here it is. Information about the card is like this. So basically here by looking this code, here it is creating the type of object. So here factory based on the money back or titanium or platinum. So factory we have created, but we don't have the credit card object. So this factory, it will have the get credit card function, which returning the type of credit card. So it is, see, it is an abstract method. Okay, so here there is nothing to return something like that. So based on that, because we have overloaded these things by credit card factory, and this credit card factory will decide which is this is money back credit card factory. So this money back credit card, it is returning credit card object, it's returning from the get credit card method. So once we get this credit card object, using this credit card object, we are trying to get card type, credit limit, and annual charge. That's all about the patterns. Uh, I'm hoping that you guys have you understood this pattern. If you have any questions, you can ask, you can give some comments. If you are watching this video first time, please subscribe my channel. And that's all about. Okay, thank you.